Hello and welcome. I'm Micah, the cosplayer seamstress. Today we're going to be doing the makeup for the Wendy's logo cosplay. But before that, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
The first thing to do before putting makeup on your face is to prep the skin. For this, I will wash my face with just plain old water from the sink. Then, I will be putting sunscreen to protect my face from the sun and as a kind of primer as well. I will be using Copper Tone Oil Free and Shine Control Face at 45 SPF. I got this at Walmart for about $4. I simply will be spreading this over my face, except on my eyelids as this is not meant for the eyes. The next step is foundation and concealer. I start with the foundation. I'm using Wet n Wild Matte Foundation in the shade Soft Ivory, and I got it from Walmart for about $5. I do not recommend this brand. To apply the foundation, I start with a little on my hand and then taking my blending sponge, dab this over my face, creating a thin layer, as this does cause me to break out if it's too thick. Then to cover my dark under eyes, blemishes, and acne, I'll be using a concealer. I am using CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in the shade Porcelain. I got this from Walmart for about $8. I will apply this by dabbing the wand inside over where I want to cover. Then taking a blending brush, I blend this out until you can barely tell that I put it on, but I also do not look tired. If you look at Wendy and take into account that she is supposed to be a little girl, it makes sense that she does not have a lot of makeup on. As such, I am wanting to do a very natural look, but also a slight doe eye. So I will be predominantly using very neutral tones, but shaping the eye so that it's circular. I will be using this eyeshadow palette from Maybelline called The Nudes, and I do not remember where I got it from. I will begin by putting this very light brown that is almost white, that also almost matches my skin tone, all over the upper lid, including above the crease line. Then I will blend it out and onto the lower lid as well, circling it around so that it really makes my eye look like a circle. Then I will take this next lightest brown that does not have sparkles in it and blend it along the crease line and down and under the lid, again using circular motions, really pulling in that circular look. Next, I will take this black eyeshadow and line the lid, pressing the shadow as close to the lash line as possible. Then I will apply mascara. I am using CoverGirl Professional 3-in-1 Hydro Proof in the shade Very Black. I got this from Walmart for about $5.50. I am only doing one layer as I want this to look young and fresh. Next, I will be reapplying my freckles as Wendy has very distinctive freckles. I will start by taking this brown eyeshadow and dot on where the freckles go. If I need to go darker, I will, but I think this should do. If you look at the logo, Wendy does not have any blush, and it does not appear as though she has lipstick, which again makes sense as she's supposed to be a young girl. However, I will be applying this lip gloss. I do not remember where I got it from. Finally, I will be spraying my face with a setting spray. I will be using Hard Candy's Long Wear Setting Spray that I got from Walmart for about $7. I will simply spray this all over my face. Congratulations, you now have a complete cosplay. Here's what it looks like put together on me. If you would like to see how I made the dress, accessories, or how to style the hair, check out the Wendy's playlist on my channel.
Now that you have the makeup, you have completed the Wendy's logo cosplay. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next project!